Hi guys, so today we're going to do a video of me playing with my fidgets. You may know me from TikTok, but I've only got 700 followers, so I doubt it. So we're going to be playing with the puppet. If you can hear this, let me know. Comments below. Now we've got the Rubik's Cube, which is one of my favorites, but the puppet is my favorite. That's called a puppet, by the way. You know what this is. Everyone knows what this is, of course. Cool. Now we've got the watermelon squishy. It's really soft. By the way, I'm rating them, so I give this a 10 out of 10. About an 8 out of 10. About an 8.9 out of 10. Now popcorn squishy. I love this. This is a 9.8 out of 10. I want to keep on playing it, but I have to record this video, so yeah. Now birthday cake squishy. So soft as well. I like this. I give this a 9.9 out of 10. So we got this thing. I don't know what it's called. Comment what it's called, and yeah, I love this too. I'm gonna give this a 9.9 out of 10. Remember, the puppet still has 10. The first one with 10, no one's beaten it yet. So the fidget cube, really satisfying. Really satisfying. My friends, not girlfriend though, said that this side was her favourite, and I disagree with that. So yeah, that's really it. I know it's only like a 3-minute long video, but hey, that's all I have. Oh, I'm going to talk to you about fidgets now. So please stay, and I'm getting my dream fidget soon, a 3-pack of them, and yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you about my fidget career. Plus all of these, I'm getting my dream fidget, and do you want me to tell you? Ta-da! The Pea Popper! It's a really fun toy, I think, and yeah, it's just like really fun, and that's all I wanted to tell you today. This is actually going to be 4 minutes long, so I'll just talk to you. Actually, no, we haven't got time. We've only got 5 seconds. 4-minute video, here we go!